Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. For this operation you will need this kind of tool. You will need your device, find the SIM card and SD card slot here, then put device into this little hole. The slot will come out, you'll have to pull it out. And here you have to put your SD card, here SIM card, and then like this you put it back into your device. And as you can see, it requires my PIN code, this SIM card, and also here at the storage displayed our SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.